So many returning veterans from Afghanistan and Iraq have post-traumatic stress. Many of them also have military sexual trauma. And because of in my opinion, the overprescription of opioids, many of them now find themselves addicted to opioids. Hugh McLean, the director of the Bob Parsons Veterans Advocacy Clinic, helped create the Baltimore City Veterans Treatment Court. And his students both represent veterans as defendants, so as their defense counsel in court, and they also represent veterans for their civil legal issues such as discharge upgrades and appeals from denials of benefits. So they have a great impact. They're invaluable to our program.
At the Homeless Persons Representation Project, one of our special legal projects is a statewide Veterans Legal Assistance Project. We represent homeless and low-income veterans in claims for VA benefits and in discharge upgrades. And I have to say, the Bob Parsons Veterans Advocacy Clinic has been an excellent pipeline of well-trained law students who become excellent lawyers. And we are delighted to have law students from the clinic and graduates of the clinic volunteer with our program representing veterans all around Maryland.
I think there's a lot of different impacts that the clinic is having. I think one of the biggest is being involved in our annual Veterans Conference. Having the Bob Parsons Veterans Clinic as one of our partners has really helped us in expanding the number of volunteers we can get, also reaching a greater amount of veterans to be able to let them know what their rights are. I've also worked with Hugh at the clinic in training the law students to have them involved in our clinic at the VA Annex.
Legal representation for veterans is still critically needed. We have no lack of clients coming into our statewide Veterans Legal Assistance Project. Frankly, we see the need for legal representation increasing. We are in fact opening new legal clinics in Montgomery County in the next few months, and there's no question that we will need the kind of highly trained lawyers that are being trained in the Bob Parsons Veterans Advocacy Clinic.